Alright guys, today we got S7 Edge. We're going to go ahead and power it off first. And we're just replacing the back glass right now. So you take a heat gun or a hair dryer and you just want to heat this up. And since it's already cracked, you can be a little bit more aggressive when taking the glass off. We're actually going to put a gold glass in the place of this one. But you're just basically looking for any kind of a gap. I like to use these X-Acto knives. They worked really well. Right there, it's probably going to be a little rough, only because it's cracked a little more. Keep pulling it up. Like I said, we can be a little rough with this one, only because we already know that we're replacing it. Ow. There's glass, so be careful. Cut this right here. Might have to take the heat gun, heat this up a little bit. Looks like it's coming. Just takes a little force. Alright guys, just like that, it's off. There's quite a bit of dirt in here. I'll kind of clean the dirt out. Overall, not too bad. Now we need to get this out. Usually if you apply a little bit of heat, this will pull out real easy. I didn't apply no heat on this one, just trying to pull it out. There we go. I'm gonna put some tape right here in the middle, just to help hold it. Put some tape right here on the end as well. Same thing, just to hold it, and put some tape right here. You don't have to do this, but I think it makes it hold a little better, because we're gonna put some adhesive on there and some extra tape. Pull that off. Okay. We're gonna lay this in here. Just want to make sure none of that tape gets in the way of anything. which it doesn't look like it is. If you accidentally touch the lens, you can take a Q-tip and you can just go in here like this and clean it a little bit just to make sure. It looks good. It looks clean on this side. Okay, some of these come with adhesive, some of them don't. This one came with adhesive. I'm not a big fan about it, so I'm actually gonna take it off. Now I'm gonna put my own adhesive in here. Alright guys, I went ahead and took off all the tape. I just stripped it off. You can tell there's clear tape just all over it. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to take some of this stuff. This is B7000. Some liquid adhesive. I really like it. And you don't put it on very thick, very thin. Set very thin. I'm just kind of putting it where the tape isn't. Don't put it where there's little holes or anything where the liquid can get down into. I don't really put it anywhere on the wireless charger back here. Put a little bit around the camera. Just make sure you don't put too much where it's gonna get in to any of the holes or mess up anything. But it looks pretty good right now, so we're gonna go ahead and take the back cover, and it is gold. And we're gonna lay this puppy down, see how it lays. Just gonna line up the camera, that's the most important thing. The back part of the phone. Then once you line it up, you can start pressing down. There's that, guys. Looks pretty good. And that's it. Let it sit for about 48 hours. You can put electric tape on there to help hold it down. That's all I got. Thanks.